The B9 app doesn't charge a simple flat monthly subscription for basic use, but it can apply fees depending on how fast you want access to your money and which cash advance features you activate. By the end, you'll understand what parts of B9 are free, what triggers fees, and how to use the app without accidentally paying for speed-based services. B9 is a cash advance and paycheck access app, not a traditional bank account with a fixed monthly price. That means the cost isn't a single subscription you can point to. It depends on usage, especially around early paycheck access and instant transfer options. Start with the free side. Basic account, setup and standard money. Access features are generally designed to be used without a required monthly payment. That's why people download it thinking it's free at first glance. Now the important part, where money actually gets charged. Fees usually show up when you choose faster access to funds. If you request an advance or move money instantly instead of waiting for standard timing, the app can apply a service fee for that speed. That's the trade-off model here. Faster access equals added cost in many cases. Now, clear up the confusion people run into. A lot of users think B9 charges a fixed membership fee like a streaming service. It doesn't work like that. The app is closer to pay for speed when you need it, instead of pay every month, no matter what. Now, explain how to avoid surprise charges. Every time you request an advance or transfer, you need to check the final confirmation screen. That's where any fee tied to instant access or expedited delivery will show before you approve it. If you stick to standard processing instead of instant options, you're much less likely to see extra charges. Now put it into a simple mental model. B9 is free to keep on your phone, but it can cost money when you use it to move money faster than normal banking timelines. So here's the practical breakdown. You're not paying just to have B9. You're paying when you choose convenience, especially speed. Do this next. Open the app, go to your advance or transfer section, and look specifically for anything labeled instant, fast, or expedited. Review those screens before confirming any request so you can see the exact cost in advance. If you only use standard speed options, you're typically staying in the no subscription side of the app. B9 is built around optional speed-based fees, not a fixed monthly membership.